waiting to ignite an electrifying surge of light. Oh, deep in your soul, from creation to the end of time, the world is waiting just to see you shine. Oh, you're part of the whole, because you're the link in an unbroken chain. You're part of an eternal nation. Oh, spreading your glow. And the story's incomplete without your name. You power up the generations. Oh, don't let it go. The connection is you. And whatever you'll be is gonna change history. It's so vital to see. The connection is you. So believe in yourself. There is nobody else that can do it so well. The connection is you. Don't imagine you can stay behind. We're a nation that is intertwined. Oh,
category, a part of the heart, and we have a rule. Any obligation of the heart, a woman is obligated in, then a woman is obligated.
oh, sharing a goal. Hinei Makusheres Achim Gam Yachad. United we can do it better. Oh, that's how we grow. It's a Kesher Shekayama Adei. A bond that will remain forever. Oh, carry the hope. The connection is you. And whatever you'll be is gonna change history. It's so vital to see. The connection is you. So believe in yourself. There is nobody else that can do it so well. The connection is you. The connection is you. You, 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 you. Because you're the link in an unbroken chain. You're part of an eternal nation. Oh, spreading your glow. And the story's incomplete without your name. You power up the generations. Oh, don't let it go. The connection is you. The connection is you. And whatever you'll be, gonna change history. So vital to see. The connection is you. From afar.